Okay, we got the stir and serve cooking utensils from Melissa and Doug. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what comes with it. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it and see what comes with it. This is so cute. This is great for kids who want to play and being their mom or dad in the kitchen. This is awesome. It comes with a little wooden spatula, a whisk, this little ladle or spoon. This is great for picking up spaghetti. And this is, I can't remember what you call this, but it's to drain the liquid from things out of a pot, which is great, and then the ladle. So I have to say, this seems to be really good quality. I'm trying to bend it right now, and it's not bending. So this feels like adult quality, but miniature size, which is nice because sometimes I think things can be flimsy, but this is definitely very, very high grade, and I think will last a long time, which is also important. Even this is not bending at all. So this is great. Like I said, this is like real kitchen utensils, just in a miniature size. So if you're looking for something for your kids to use, I would highly recommend giving these a try. I'm very impressed with this.